So question goes, if we make a 10-minute video and adding 3 ads, does the money increase if they watch all the ads? Well, yeah, you get paid more, but you do not want to be putting 3 ads in a 10-minute video. That is a terrible viewer experience. Again, I told you guys before, when you are making your content, you have to be viewer focused, viewer centric. How will the viewer's experience be watching that particular content? Hell, you don't even do we even get 3 ads in a 30-minute show? Most of the time, no. Usually 2 ads and we're done. How are you gonna put 3 ads in a 10-minute? No, 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 no. Go ahead, Dan.
Technically, if people sit through 3 ads, that's more money, but how you're gonna give people 3 opportunities in the middle of a video to say goodbye? I mean, that's my when it comes down to this, like I'm on a different side. A lot of people actually are all for mid-rolls. I'm not personally. Like that's just how I treat my content. But so, depending on what you do, it might be more tolerated with other audiences. I know for me, my audience would not put up with that, so I avoid them.
I would agree, but I'll play devil's advocate for just 1 minute. Graham Stephan goes the opposite direction, in which he actively encourages people to place 3 or 4 adverts in a video every 3.5, 4 minutes. And if you time them properly, you kind of do them either just after something valuable or just leading into some form of cliffhanger. Now, just because there's an advert placed there does not mean it will show an advert. YouTube has a formula that actually determines how often a specific user is willing to watch a video and willing to watch an advert. So if you're one of those people that frankly bounces out of every advert, YouTube's going to show you less adverts because they know that it's hurting their session watch time. YouTube wants to keep you on YouTube for as long as possible. So if it knows that you're okay to watch an advert every 3 to 4 minutes, then it will serve you an advert every 3 to 4 minutes. But if your content is engaging enough to hold people all the way through, even if there is 3 adverts, then you've got a possibility. But do you really have the retention of a Mr. Beast? Do you really have the retention of a PewDiePie, a Graham Stephan, an Andre Gic? Because if you don't, then this can hurt you. Okay? I would suggest most people are used to an advert at the front. Most people are used to an advert at the end. And if you're doing obnoxiously long videos, 20, 30, 40 minutes long, then selectively pick where those adverts go into a natural break, right? When you're listing things. And number 3, that kind of thing. Don't just plonk it in the middle of something, okay? So be very strategic about it and understand your audience tolerance levels first.